Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because we're in the holiday season and we're about 11 days to Christmas and 18 days to New Year. So I want to keep my home prepared, looking decorated with all the Christmas decorations. And I'm just going to show you how I built a fireplace and decorated it, and also my center table with Christmas decoration. So please join me in this tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to be making a beautiful centerpiece, and I'm going to be using a rectangle tray and also a flower styrofoam to hold the flowers. And I'm going to be splitting it into two. So as you can see, I have a Christmas leaf, and this is a plastic one that I got from the store, and I'm going to be putting them on this styrofoam to hold the flowers. So how do I do this? I pluck each of the flowers from the stick and then I insert it on the styrofoam. And I'm going to be doing this until I'm satisfied that the styrofoam is completely covered. Now that the styrofoam is completely covered, I'm going to insert the candle stand in the middle. I have two of it and I'm going to put it right in the middle of the styrofoam. I'm going to take this large bowl and I'll put it on each side of the tray. I will be adding some glass ball ornaments to this centerpiece to make it looking more beautiful. And also throwing around the centerpiece with some wooden ornament. And this Xmas centerpiece wouldn't be complete without the red berry branch. So I'm just going to be throwing some of it around to give it a lively look. Now I'm going to take these 2 candles and stick it on a candle stand. So that's it for the centerpiece. I'm going to jump right into making the fireplace. So to build the fireplace, I'm going to be taking one of my old cartons from my old deliveries, and I'm going to be using it to build this fireplace. Right now I'm going to be measuring the carton 72 by 72 centimeter. And then on the side is going to be 25 centimeter. To put the cartons together, I'm going to need a double face tape to hold them together. And I'm going to be sticking it on each side. I found out that these cartons were not stable, so I decided to put an extra carton in the middle to hold it, to make it stand properly. I put some adhesive tape to hold the carton in the middle. I bought a black plain sticker and I'm going to stick it on the carton to create an elusive backdrop. Now that I've finished pasting the sticker on the carton, I'm going to use this board for my counter table and place it on the floor to create an illusion. After creating the illusion for the backdrop, I went to Google and then I typed on the search fireborn wood. Once it appeared, I went to image and then I searched for the picture. I saved it on my download. And then I went to my Finder on download. I went to search for the picture to be sure that it has correctly downloaded. And once I had the picture, I printed a picture with a photo paper. And then I pasted it on the backdrop of the fireplace. And I did some little adjustment on the backdrop. Now it's time to decorate the fireplace with some Christmas ornaments. So I picked a stick from a park behind my house and I tied it with some rope to hold it firm on the fireplace. And I took a leftover from the Christmas plastic leaves. I rolled it all around the stick. Secured it properly, and then I began to hang the ornaments. So guys, I'm done with the Christmas decoration and the fireplace is looking really good. It's right behind me and I'm just going to show you in a jiffy.